I'm going to save you a ton of time by using flash fill in Excel. So we have our names here, but the issue is they have lowercase, and then also our phone numbers are not formatted in the way that we want them. So let's go ahead and type John Smith. First one you'll type out fully and hit enter, and then here's the secret. You'll do control and then press E as in echo, and it'll auto-populate all the way down. So let's go ahead and try to do an email address too. For this we'll do John Smith and then at madeup.com, hit enter, and then we'll do that control E, and then it'll fill in our emails all the way down. Last thing we want to do, let's try this for our phone number. We'll go 555-0101, hit enter, and again hit control E, and it'll fill our phone numbers in the correct format all the way down. One thing to keep in mind though is this formula does not auto update. So if I were to change John Smith and add characters on, notice how this does not update. Regardless, it will save you a ton of time if you have data that needs to be formatted quickly.